Hi friends, today I will share with you pound cake. This traditional cake is having beautiful golden brown and crunchy outside and very soft and melt in mouth buttery texture inside. So isn't it lovely one? You can serve this cake with butter and sugar, or you can serve it as it is. It is beautiful and very tasty. You should try this. Let's begin. Preheat oven to 160 degrees Celsius, which is 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Take a loaf pan and spray oil. On that, stick a parchment paper or butter paper and again spray oil so that the cake can be taken out easily. Keep aside. In a large bowl, take 3 eggs, 4 tablespoons milk and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Milk and egg should be room temperature. Now whisk it. Whisk until the mixture volume get doubled. It will take around 10 minutes. Now in another bowl, take 1 cup flour and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Mix them with a spatula. Now mix with the hand blender for 2 minutes. That will mix the dry ingredients properly. Then we have to add the butter. The butter should be in room temperature so that you can put your finger on it and you can check that it's showing the spot of your finger. 3/4 cup butter, and then again we need to mix it. Here, while we are mixing, the butter will create a coating on the flour mixture and that will give the buttery texture of this cake. The mixture might be flowing, so scrape the mixture from the bowl and mix them again. Now it's time for take the wet mixture and mix it with the dry one. But do not pour the entire wet mixture to the dry mixture, because then you may find it difficult to mix this properly. So first I'll suggest that pour the half of the wet mixture to the dry one and mix it. After you mix it properly, then add the rest of the wet ingredients. Now mix it for another 2 minutes. This is pretty thick cake, so you will get this kind of consistency. It's not at all flowy. The batter must be like this. Now pour the batter into the cake loaf or cake tin. Make the surface plain with the spatula. Now it's ready to go to the oven. Put the cake tin on the middle rack of the oven. Set the temperature 160 degrees centigrade, that is 320 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake it for 50 minutes. You can see a crack on top of that cake. It is very normal, that it's supposed to be. You can check with a toothpick whether it's done or not. If the toothpick comes out clean, that means your cake is done. You can take the cake from the oven. If not done, then you can bake for another 2 minutes, but be very careful because you don't want to burn your cake, right? So better you can check before 5 minutes or before 2 minutes, like after 48 minutes, and check whether it's done. Okay, now you need to take a knife to check whether there is anything sticking on the side. If not, then it's good to go. Yes, our cake is ready. See how beautiful golden this is. So you can let it cool on this rack for another 20 minutes to half an hour, and then we will cut it. You can serve this cake with whipped cream and strawberries, or you can dust it with sugar, or you can toast it like normal bread. You can serve this cake even in breakfast. Kids will definitely love it, and I think anyone will love it. It's very nice, very soft inside and crunchy outside, and it's very thick cake and not too sweet. It's not that much sweet like normal cake, normal sponge cake. And here you go. We are done now. Let me know in the comment section whether you like my recipe or not, and stay connected. Please subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Take care, stay safe.